y'all. Today is our Tuesday check-in for our 28-day Lose the Last 10 Pounds challenge. So, Pop-Up's over there tearing up stuff. So, I did walk on the treadmill this morning, but I only did it for like 45 minutes. So, I need to do some more because right now I have 7,000 steps. So all I need is about 20 minutes. So I'm going to do that while I am giving you my results. Make sure you watch until the end so that you can find out how much weight I lost. So let's get started. I'm going to put it on about 2.5 so I can talk at the same time. So last 7 days, this is our Tuesday check-in. So we started out on Tuesday, October 1st, because as you know, I don't like starting anything on a Monday, because Mondays are just Mondays. So on Tuesday, October 1st, I had 9,217 steps. I'm going to put this up on the screen. Wednesday, I had 9,709 steps. Thursday, 9,553 steps, and you can see all the rest. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The average for the whole week was 9,853 steps. Really good for the steps. For carbs, I just didn't track them. I had some good low carb meals most days, but I didn't track them. I will do better next week so you all can see the details on the amount of carbs that I had at dinner. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I got all my 64 ounces in each day. Now, Saturday and Sunday, I did have water, but because I was moving out and about, doing all kinds of things, I didn't really track it too well, so I didn't want to make up any numbers, so I put some question marks right there. I don't know what the average is because I missed those 2 days of tracking. So we're going to get better with the tracking of the water. Now, for the intermittent fasting, you can see on Tuesday the 1st, I did 23 hours. That means I only had a 1 hour eating window. I don't know what was going on that day. I can't remember, but I think what happened was I got home and ate, and then I had to hop on the treadmill. Wednesday, 21 hours. Thursday was 16 hours. Friday, 16. Saturday, 16. Sunday, 17 hours. And Monday, 20 hours for a total average of 18 hours, which is pretty good. Okay, so let's uncover the weight numbers. So on beginning, I was 138.2 pounds. So as you know, the goal is to lose that last 10, get down to 128. So I didn't weigh myself on Wednesday. On Thursday, I was 136.6. Friday, 135.8. I didn't weigh myself Saturday and Sunday. And then yesterday, I was at 136.2, which is a total weight loss of 2 pounds exactly. So last week was a good week. So we're going to keep going. And I hope this has motivated and inspired someone to get moving, get those steps in, get your water in, start intermittent fasting. Fasting is an easy, or should I say a simple way to lose weight, intermittent fasting, because you don't have to do anything. You know, you fix less food. You just don't eat. You just drink instead of eat until it's your time to eat. When it's your window to eat, then you want to eat low carb. So remember, we can only get to our goals by taking one step at a time. What's the step you're going to take today or tomorrow? So let's get to stepping. See you in the next video.